Tela pa ngayon.
Punta man ang jabi.
Julia!
To us, and you are being a good Lola.
That's mine.
To all of us, and you have been a good mother to all your children.
Yan si Alma.
Happy birthday, Lola, and I love you.
Oh, nalam.
Ah! Iyan si Lola. Tuloy mo, Lola.
Nagdalaan tayo ng basa.
Naiyak siya. Oh.
Umiyak na. Kawag panyaw.
Dapat pa niregaluhan nyo rin ang panyo. Kulang. Umiyak din.
Nagising na si Pampa.
Wala, dudukila pa nula natin.
Lola, di mo pa nabasa yung sa akin.
To all
Umiyak
of
ka
us,
na.
you've been good mothers to all.
Your children.
To your children. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday!
Hindi naiyak si Lula dyan, oh. Hindi naiyak si Lula.
Saan naiyak?
To the sweetest Lola in the world.
Ayan, galing
You're,
kay Ate
you're
Dulce.
magnificent. You're unconditional love.
Julia,
Give me,
mo na yun.
give me strength. You're,
Julia!
give me strength.
Julia!
Strength. In, incredible love with us. Wish you,
Kaya nga, dapat kayo
wish you endless, always, endless,
Ay, ang tanta na.
healthy
Mama.
life. Because you are wonderful to Lord. Love you.
Sino nagbigay ng sabi? Maliit yung sa akin, di pa nabasa ni Lula eh.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Love you always.
Love you. I ingat. Love.
Charles. Charles and Paris.
Happy birthday, Lola. Always ingat. Love. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for the love. Wish you. Wish you the
Kay Julia siya naiyak eh.
and go. Dearest Lola.
Yan galing sa akin, Lola. My dearest Lola.
Tutulad niya sila. My dearest
Lola. Today,
Today I celebrate
celebrate
you.
you.
Thank you for taking care of us, your children, and grandchildren, and for bringing us
closer.
closer every time you came home. We are very lucky to love you.
Dala ni Ate Dati.
I wish you to be always happy and healthy as today.
Oh, I love you, Lola. Mwah.
Kapag pipicturan,
Ang dami, meron pa.
gapo na lang, may sinto kasi.
Sana pwede ko pa.
Oo.
Happy birthday, Lola. Always, always
Magpipil kasi sayang trip niya. Pinipilit ako ni Clang.
shower
Kung may kanon kayo, gano'n.
Ayun, ganun kay ano.
on
Kunyari, wala, tawagin mo
have
ako.
an
Manuman yun. Sila lang yung
unforgettable
May photographer siya.
Kaya nga, yun
Yun na.
baka
happy
yung photographer
birthday
na.
naman.
Dapat meron ako sa
Hindi pa dito na ayat. Kung unikot, di ba mang picture?
Si Polly.
may kanon.
Ang gapo rin ako ng jami ang
Happy small babae. Love you lang.
Ah, ito pa Lola, oh.
For sa lahat ng love.
Marjo.
Oh, yeah. Hindi mo sa akin. Love you. Love you.
palaro?
Ang birthday to Lika. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for the unconditional love. I love you.
Anong kakantay mo?
Lola. I wish you on the base.
Ang tuya.
All right.
May bago ba?
Loving.
Thank you for being
being
tool to unite this family
happy.
and make it happy. May your grandchildren. Kasi kasi apo mo na kay ate.
Apo ko
Kaya grandchildren na.